Today, I'll walk you through how to add a calendar to your OneNote page, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate your calendar into OneNote so you can keep all your important dates organized in one place. Let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar. This is where you'll be pulling your calendar information from. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Once your Google Calendar is open, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents settings, and clicking it will give you options to customize your calendar's appearance. Now choose the print range, view, and other details about how you want your calendar to be displayed. For a better view, I recommend selecting portrait orientation. This will help ensure that your calendar fits nicely on the OneNote page. After you've made your selections, click on the print button. This action will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, choose OneNote Desktop. This step is crucial as it will send your calendar directly to OneNote. Next, a window will pop up asking you to select the page where you want to place the calendar. Think of this as choosing the perfect spot for a new piece of art in your home. You want to make sure it fits well with everything else on your page. Once you've selected your desired page, confirm your choice. Your calendar will now be embedded into your OneNote page, ready for you to view and edit as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully added a calendar to your OneNote page. This integration can help streamline your planning and keep everything in one accessible location. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.